I want to make a countdown component, but instead doing everything in the main component, here app-component.html, what I'm going to do is to build new components that will be placed here inside. I want to follow a solid architecture, and solid begins by S, single responsibility principle. So I'm going to start with a component that will be the progress bar, and its main task will be only this: show the progress of the counter. If you are using Angular CLI, you can build a new component just by using ng-generate component and the name of the component. ng-generate component and component's name. In your case, you have the skeleton of the whole project, so you don't need to create the component, you can open it directly from progress bar. The progress bar folder is where I created this new component and has a template, very simple, progress bar component. It also has a style sheet that is empty, and it also has a test, and of course the component itself that at this point is almost empty, a class decorator and an empty constructor. Okay, so first things first, we have to declare this component in the main module. If the component is called progress bar component, we have to open the main module, add module. Here inside declarations, I have to add this progress bar component. I also have to import, but the autocomplete of the Visual Studio Code tells me how to import it automatically. Let me make it wider. So import progress bar component from app progressbar.component or directly from /progressbar/progressbar component. From now on, I can use it on Angular. So I move to app component, and instead of hello world, I'm gonna put here this progress bar. So if the selector was called app progress bar, what I have to do is add this component app progress bar. So I save this and I move to the browser. What I can see now is this progress bar component. If you go to the inspector, I have this app root, this h1 header, and inside I have this app progress bar. So you have seen now how to build a new component, and the next step is to make this component a real progress bar.